Doctor and nutritionist. Today we're going to talk about the release, stretch, and strengthen for the neck. So this is for neck pain relief. And how do we know this is a common thing? Because there is oftentimes new patients coming in and their main complaint or their chief complaint is neck pain. If you look at how many people are searching on our Google page anyway every month, there's hundreds of people every month searching for neck and back pain. So back pain, very common. Neck pain, super, super common. So these are things that you can do at home. And remember, doing all three of them is the best way to try to get some kind of relief. If your neck is too painful to do this kind of stuff, then you might want to come in and get us to look at it. But really what we're trying to do is release the muscles in the area. We're trying to stretch the muscle, and then we're trying to strengthen it, to try to do all those things in one exercise pattern or routine. It doesn't take very long at all. It's just doing this consistently to try to get relief from your neck pain, try to get more mobility from your neck. So the first, what we're gonna try to do, if you have a foam roller of any kind, we're gonna lay on it and we're gonna try to move our neck around just to release some of the muscle. So I have kind of a mini foam roller here, you can see. So I'm just gonna put this down, say on the bench. And what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna flop my neck over the top this way, and I'm just gonna go side to side like this. So this foam roller is hard enough that it's gonna put some pressure in on those trigger points or the muscles, and when I move it, you're gonna feel it releasing. So kind of like when you're releasing something in between your shoulder blades or your IT band with a foam roller, you'll feel the same kind of thing, right? It's gonna be painful and uncomfortable when we go from side to side, but just try to keep breathing and relax. You can do that for maybe 30 seconds or a minute. The second part of it, we want to try to stretch these muscles of the neck. So we're going to sit up this way and just pull our neck directly to the side like so. Make sure you keep your shoulder down directly to the side, and then we're going to pull down to the opposite knee. Okay, so those two stretches, when we're having neck pain, it's going to be very stiff in the muscles here, so we might not be able to turn our neck. So we have to try to release these muscles here and stretch them. Releasing on the foam roller, stretching just manually yourself. Whenever you're stretching, hold it for a good 30 seconds. So the last thing we want to do is to try to strengthen the muscle. Now that we've released the muscle, we've stretched it, now we want to try to strengthen it. So you can come over here. I'm just going to use one of these big gymnic balls, as they're called. So we're going to put the ball against the wall like this, stand up with really good posture, perfect posture. I'm going to push my head against the ball this way. So this is kind of a static contraction. So I'm pushing back this way. I'm going to hold that for about 30 seconds. And then we're going to do the other angles as well, or the other muscles of the neck. So say laterally this way, I'm going to push the right side of my head into the ball. I'm going to hold that for a good 30 seconds. And then I'm going to switch to the other side and do the same thing. I'm going to push against the ball, hold that for a good 30 seconds. Okay? So those are the three things I want you to try at home. Releasing, you can use a foam roller. The stretching, we're just manually doing it. And then if you have a ball like that, it doesn't necessarily have to be a ball, but even a pillow or something you can put against the wall, because we're trying to get all these muscles now to contract a little bit and in the proper posture. So I'm Dr. Tyler Hamel. Thanks for watching this video today. If you're having neck pain, try these out. These are simple things that you can do at home. Like I said, if you're still having issues, you might want to come in. We can check it out and see exactly what might be causing your problem, and we can go from there. If you have any questions, put it in the chat box below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.